Hello everyone, you are welcome in depressing classes for competitive exams like civil services and other competitions. Students and friends, today's topic is eigenvalues and eigenvectors, in which first we will prove theorems. There are two terms, and after it we solve the question, and then Cayley-Hamilton theorem, and after it we solve the questions in lecture next, first, second, third, fourth. First in lecture, in this lecture, eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Theorem. The characteristic root of Hermitian matrix are real. Proof. Let A be square matrix. Let A be Hermitian matrix. Hermitian matrix. Lambda is eigenvalue and x is corresponding eigenvector. According to the theorem, suppose A is Hermitian matrix, lambda is eigenvalue and x is corresponding eigenvector. The characteristic equation is A x equals to lambda x. Equation 1. Pre-multiplying by x theta, lambda x equals to lambda x theta x. Taking conjugate transpose both sides, x theta ax lambda x theta x conjugate x theta a theta x theta theta lambda conjugate x theta theta x theta a theta into x lambda conjugate x theta x. A is a Hermitian matrix. So A theta equals to A means matrix is Hermitian matrix, so that A theta equals to A theta means conjugate of transpose of matrix equals to matrix A. X theta Ax minus lambda conjugate x theta x. Using that is 2. Using first x theta lambda x minus lambda conjugate x theta x equals to 0. Lambda minus lambda conjugate x theta x equals to 0, or lambda minus lambda conjugate equals to 0. It means that lambda is real. Lambda is real. Proved. इस वाले थ्योरम में एक बार फिर एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं. ए हर्मिशियन मैट्रिक्स है और लैम्डा आइगन वैल्यूज, एक्स corresponding eigenvector. Characteristic equation is that Ax equals to lambda x, that is first, and multiplying by x theta x, फिर multiplying by x theta x, then we get and taking conjugate transpose both sides, and x theta a theta x theta to the power theta, lambda conjugate x theta and x theta to the power theta, and A is Hermitian matrix, A theta equals to A, and using first, and we can write this lambda minus lambda conjugate into x theta x equals 0, or lambda minus lambda conjugate 0. It means that lambda means characteristic root or eigenvalue is real. That's all. Next form. Form. The characteristic roots of unitary matrix are of unit modulus. The characteristic roots of unitary matrix are of unit modulus, are of unit modulus. Proof. According to the question, the statement is that the characteristic root means lambda of unitary matrix. Unitary matrix, suppose A, R of unit modulus. इसका मॉडुलस जो होता है, करेक्टरिस्टिक रूट्स का मॉडुलस, वो यूनिट होता है. ये प्रूफ करेंगे. सपोज ए बी A is a unitary matrix. Unitary matrix. A theta A equals to identity. Lambda is characteristic root and x is corresponding आइगन वेक्टर और करेक्टरिस्टिक वेक्टर. The characteristic equation Ax equals to lambda x, that is one. Taking conjugate transpose of 1 both sides, then Ax conjugate transpose equals to lambda x conjugate transpose, or we can write x conjugate transpose A transpose conjugate lambda conjugate x conjugate transpose, that is 2. Multiplying equation first and second corresponding sides, x theta Ax lambda conjugate x theta x. We can write lambda conjugate x theta x, because since A is a unitary matrix, so that A theta A equals to identity. We can use this property I. Or I minus lambda conjugate x theta x equals to 0, or 1 minus lambda conjugate equals to 0, or lambda conjugate equals to 1, mod of lambda square equals to 1. Lambda characteristic root of unitary matrix R of unit modulus, We explain this theorem again. A is unitary matrix. It means that A conjugate transpose into A equals to identity. Lambda is characteristic root and x is corresponding eigenvector. The characteristic equation Ax equals to lambda x, taking conjugate transpose both sides, then and the operating multiplying equation first and second corresponding sides, and using A is unitary matrix, A theta A means identity, or taking common x conjugate transpose into x, either 1 minus lambda conjugate equals to 0, or lambda conjugate equals to 1, or mod of lambda square equals to 1. Lambda is of unit modulus, that's all.